This is the latest from Anker. They call this the Soundcore Bluetooth speaker with IPX5 waterproof, stereo sound, and 24-hour playback. Choice of 10 million plus happy users, industry-leading technology, 18-month warranty, 99% positive feedback. So as you see here, an all-black colored speaker, the basic controls on top, power, sound, volume, play, and Bluetooth connectivity. It's two speakers. I must say, with the test that I performed, I thought it sounded pretty good. It sounds louder than what you think it would sound for a relatively small speaker. It does come with a simple manual and a simple charging cable. So let's go ahead and hook up my Epiphany microphone right in front of the speaker to record the sound. I'll be playing one of my dad's songs to avoid any copyright issues. The song is called Symphony of Love, written by my dad, and it's sung by an Italian singer called Dario. So let's take a listen and tell me what you guys think about all this.
La primavera è qui, ma questo triste cuore piange di malinconia. Lontan sei tu da me, dal cuore che ti ama. Io t'amo e t'amerò ogni giorno ancor di più. Sinfonia, che bel canto d'allegria. Sei tu, mio amor, questa dolce melodia.
Listen, the birds are singing. The spring is finally here. My broken heart is crying. Where the roses catches my teardrops.
Spring rain pours out your name.
Well, I have to tell you, from what I heard, I thought it sounded pretty good for a small speaker. You know, the microphone that I use, the Epiphany microphone, or Fifine, it's a great microphone for podcasting. It really doesn't do justice for singing or for music. It's okay, but I will tell you that the speaker actually sounds a little bit better than what the microphone can record. That being said, I highly recommend it. Last time I checked, it's around $30, maybe less if it's on sale. Highly recommend the Anker Bluetooth speaker, the Soundcore Bluetooth speaker. Links below in the show notes. Check it out.